Welcome back, everybody. Today we got a 2015 Yukon. We got some turn signal issues on the right side. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to hop in here. I'm going to show you the light failure on the dash here. I'm going to start this thing up. So left turn signal's working just fine. As you can see, we get the right front turn indicator failure. We're just going to do a walk around here real quick, check and make sure all the turn signals are working here. Let's bring you back to the back here. That one seems to be working just fine. That one's working just fine. I'm going to switch over to the right side. Alright, let's go take a look at the front. So that's kind of weird. This daytime running lamp also sometimes does not work. I noticed a couple times I tried it before, it would sit there and blink kind of real fast, and then it went out for a while and then came back on. And I checked the other side and the other side was consistently on. So I did pull a code on it. It's a B260E, which is a right daytime running lamp and front park lamp control circuit short to ground. So I'm seeing a lot of condensation inside this housing. I'm wondering if we got some kind of corrosion issue or something going on there. Let's go to the back here, make sure that we have everything there. Turn signal seems to be working. It's just blinking real fast, and I think our issue is going to be, like I said, up in the front there. That's kind of where I suspect an issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by pulling out the air box here and see what we can see behind here, because you actually have to pull this front bumper fascia off to get this headlight out. So we're going to see if we can't detect some electrical behind the air box here, and I suspect we kind of have an issue with the headlamp itself, but I want to verify that first, and then we'll talk to the customer and see what they want to do. Alright, so as you can tell, we're kind of having a meltdown on this headlight here. It just started acting up to where we're having issues with this flash, and then it flashes the turn signal at the same time. So like I said, I suspect a short internally here. We're going to check the wiring, but I just wanted to bring you back and kind of show you what this headlight was doing here. Okay, we got our new part here. New headlamp assembly. Let's get this put in and make sure she works. Connector on the back. Set into place here. Bolt started. Make sure she doesn't fall. That would be a very expensive mistake. I'll leave that on until I get the bumper put back on. Make sure I don't scratch it or anything. Make sure our connector stays up out of the way. Get this on. This connector is for the proximity sensors and the fog lamps and whatever else is in the front of this bumper here. All right, I'll get my bolts put back in here, and we'll test this out, make sure she works. That's what it should be doing. Like, subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.